Hello guys, my name is Jeff, and today I'm going to be playing Dudes and Zombies. Dudes and Zombies is basically just a 2D shooter game, and that there's this dude that kills zombies, okay? And he has to repair his truck to leave the zombies. And the site I'm playing in is Tyrone's Unblocked Games. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to play this game, or just I'll leave the link to the site and you can find it there yourself. So let's get on with it. You click play, it'll show you this cool animation. I just chose this site because it seemed bigger than all the rest, and it's sponsored by Congregate. So okay. Well, you can go to shop, assemble the car and get out of here. Press S, and it starts S, and it starts fixing, okay? And here's your money, where my mouse is, right here, and here are the controls. WASD to move, and then the arrows to move or jump, and then click to shoot, press R or shift to reload, and press space or enter to plant or pick up a mine. Press S or down arrow to start assembling or repairing the car to get out of there. And here is your money. You get money by killing zombies, and you can buy other guns. You can also get skills points. You get 2 skill points for each level. You get 2 skill points that you can spend on the skills you need. So right now I am level 1 and I need other stubs. So I'll get back to you when I do that. Okay, so it's not letting me pause, so let me just show you how to play it. My pro skill is gonna show you how to play it, so no one's here. Oh. Bam, 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 die, bam, bam. Oh my gosh. And then you have to reload every time. That's so slow. No, get away from me. Get away. Get away. No. Get away. Okay, so you get achievements. This one's I got the first blood, kill the first zombie, and you can get other things, and then there's more games. There's the pause and play button. And I'll get to you when I'm level 2. Don't pause. Okay, well you can just skip this part of the video, so because I'm just apparently it's not letting me. All right, well I'm on level 2, and it says right here improve skills. I'm going to go to improve skills. I'm going to go faster reload because it reloads so slow, and I'm doing I'm gonna do accuracy, so that I hit the things more. I'll get a revolver because it does more damage, and let's go right then. So I just got a checkpoint, and when you're rebuilding, it'll occasionally I don't know if I already said this, but I'm just gonna say it again. It'll occasionally just ask you to get the engine, and then just press S and drag it to here to complete the task to rebuild your truck. And then it'll ask you to get tires, and then the springy thingy over on this side, right there, the springy thingy. I don't know what it's called. And as you can see, I'm getting 10 and 10 money and 10 XP because I got these power-ups. I got 5 XP for killing a zombie, and then $5 more for killing a zombie. And then you can go to shop. I can't buy this yet. And then you can get first aid kit. Right as you click it, it'll give you oh, okay, so I can't do it because I don't have 50 HP to spare. And then you can get a mine and then injure zombie next to it, and that's how it is. And then you just do it as you die. When you get a checkpoint, if you die and you have a checkpoint, then you go to the checkpoint and have whatever you had to the point of the checkpoint. That's the end of this video. Hope you learned how to play Dudes and Zombies, and hope you play it. I'll leave the link to the site I played it in and the link to the game. And have a good day.